In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix insufficient storage in CapCut. If you've ever run into storage issues while using CapCut, you know how frustrating it can be, especially when you're in the middle of a project. But don't worry, today we'll go step by step through practical solutions to free up space and keep your workflow running smoothly. Whether it's clearing the cache, managing your files, or even reinstalling the software, I'll guide you through everything you need to know. Now, if you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Let's begin by tackling the first and easiest task, clearing the cache in CapCut. Start by opening CapCut on your device. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a gear icon. This is the settings menu. Tap on it to access the configuration options. Once you're in settings, look for the option labeled Clear Cache and select it. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that CapCut saves during your use of the app. These files can build up over time and take up unnecessary space. Don't worry, clearing the cache won't affect your drafts or projects. It's a simple way to free up storage without losing any of your work. Next up, let's review and delete old projects. Open your project library in CapCut and take a moment to scroll through your saved projects. Identify any completed projects that you no longer need. Once you've decided which ones to remove, go ahead and delete them. This step is especially helpful if you work on a lot of videos, as old projects can take up a surprising amount of space. Just make sure to export and save the final versions of any important projects before deleting them, because once a project is deleted, it cannot be recovered. Now, let's talk about changing the file save location. Head back to the settings menu in CapCut, and this time, look for the Save To option. You'll notice a folder icon next to it. Selecting this option allows you to choose a different location for your project files, such as an external hard drive or a folder on your computer with more available space. By saving your files in a less crowded location, you'll prevent your main hard drive from becoming overloaded. This is particularly useful if you frequently work on high-resolution video projects that require significant storage. And now let's move beyond CapCut and focus on system-wide storage management. Start by checking the available storage on your computer. If you're using a Windows PC, you can use the Disk Cleanup tool to access it. Simply search for Disk Cleanup in your system's search bar. Alternatively, if you're on a Mac, you can use the Storage Management tool. Both of these utilities are designed to scan your system for temporary files, trash, and other unnecessary data. Once the scan is complete, you can delete these files to free up additional space. Keep in mind that this process may take a few minutes depending on the size of your drive. After that, let's turn our attention to old versions of CapCut that might still be lingering on your system. Use your system's search menu to look for CapCut. Once the search results appear, select Open File Location. This will take you to the folder where CapCut is installed. Here, you can identify and delete any outdated versions of the software, keeping only the latest version. This is a great way to free up extra storage, as multiple versions of the same app can consume unnecessary space. Now, let's go one step further with disk analysis tools. If you haven't already, download a tool like TreeSize to help you understand how your storage is being used. Once installed, run the tool and let it scan your drive. It will generate a list of the largest files and folders on your computer. Review this list carefully and delete any files or folders that you no longer need. This step is especially helpful for finding items that might not be immediately visible in your usual file explorer. And finally, as a last resort, you can reinstall CapCut for a completely fresh start. Before doing this, make sure to back up any important project files that are stored locally, as these will be erased during the reinstallation process. Once your files are safe, uninstall CapCut from your system. After the uninstallation is complete, visit CapCut's official website to download and install the latest version of the software. Reinstalling the app ensures that you're starting with a clean slate, which can resolve persistent storage issues and improve performance. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your storage and fix the insufficient storage issue in CapCut. From clearing the cache to deleting old projects, changing save locations, and even reinstalling the app, you now have the tools to keep your system running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.